Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out another projector. So this one has native 1080p full HD. It's fully sealed optical lens engine and it can screen mirror as well. You have a USB port, an HD port, so HDMI port and audio ports. The USB can support UDisc, card reader, HHD, mouse and keyboard. HD can support computer, game box, DVD player, TV box, and more. Audio can do earphone speakers. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside. So right away, you guys know I love it when companies package their products in cases. I think that takes it to a whole nother level. So that's already a good sign. You get your information pamphlet at the top here. Go ahead and open this up. On this one side, you have all your power supply cables. So it is nice that they have it divided. Let's check out their remote and see what all they got with the remote. So that's pretty cool design. You guys can see that nice design on the remote. Got a bunch of different features on the remote, so it's a little more than just a simple remote. All right guys, this is it. Nice silver sleek design. Let's peel this off. Power button on the top. You have a mount for a tripod on the bottom if you want. On here is all your ports. So we're gonna go ahead and get this plugged in a while. Go plug in the DC port. This plugs directly into here. And we plug this right into our outlet. And now let's test it out. Let's see the quality. To turn it on, you press and hold the power button. The remote takes 2 AAA batteries. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how well you guys are going to see the screen, but for me, it's actually very crisp and clear. So you know, you actually use the remote to adjust everything. So the remote adjusts your, quality and closeness. So as we play with this, we can get this really nice. And then you guys can go and use the settings. So you got all these different settings, video, picture. We're gonna go under settings. Sound you have. So you can change the sound to whatever you want. General settings, screen flip, software update, and some other stuff. Time and image. Image mode, you can select soft user, customize the color quality, color temperature, zoom mode, noise reduction, projection, zoom. You can mess with all of those different things. You have music over here. So once you have different USB plugged in, you got text over there, you have picture. All these things can be accessed once you plug stuff in. Overall, very nice, very impressive. You also have screencast and HDMI and also USB import as well. So that is awesome. I'm pretty impressed. So we have it right here and it's clear right there. Obviously guys, we have a little light coming from there. So in a fully pitch black room, it's going to look even better. And obviously if you guys have a white screen, which I highly recommend you guys getting, put a white screen up against a solid object and then the picture is going to even look even more clear and more crisp. So far I am happy, I am impressed. So we're going to go ahead and check this out and see how it works. Alright guys, now for the final really big test. We got a USB, we have a movie clip on here. The question is, will it actually play? So I would say about 7 out of 10 times the projectors that I review don't actually work with a USB. They claim they work and they never work. Here we go. Let's find out. So let's see. So why is it not? Let's try video. picture. Alright, well, we are trying to select it. HDMI selects, but it won't select the other one. So, let's go back. We are trying to select USB, and it just goes right out. That, oh man, it's disappointing when that happens. You got the correct USB plugged in, the correct one, and well guys, I was hoping to test it out for y'all, but no other settings is working. When I click video, picture, nothing is working. I've reviewed over 20 of these. The USB is supposed to work, but it like basically backs you out. So we're gonna pull the USB out, see what happens if we select USB. So it just does nothing. It says no device. We're gonna go plug in the USB. We're gonna turn this off, turn it back on, and see with the USB already plugged in if it picks it up. If that's the case, then the only thing this is good for is HDMI and screen mirroring. So I would say 9.5 out of 10 all work for screen mirroring is about 50-50. The HDMI is always about the same for every single one. We got our USB in here. It's not doing anything. We got the correct size. So guys, my final thoughts on this. Here's my honest opinion. So I was playing with this off camera a little bit for a while, checking it out. The USB doesn't work. I tried multiple different USBs and none of them work. So none of them work to play any video files. You can't play video files with this, with a USB. It just does not work. I've spent 30+ minutes working on just that. The HDMI does work. I'm not going to give this any more shout outs or credits because the HDMI is the same quality as most of all the other projectors out there. The 1080 is just basic. It's your basic quality for almost all of the projectors out there. The mirroring would not work with my Android, but was working with an Apple device. I kept trying with an Android to get it to work. I kept trying and trying, and I had issues. It could be my phone is too old. I'm not sure, but keep that in mind. So the pros about this one is the fact that you can adjust the settings with your remote. So as you guys see here, it is very good quality. So please don't get me wrong. This is good quality. So this works perfect with an HDMI cable. So if you connect your DVD player to the HDMI cable or your gaming system to the HDMI cable, anything that you plug in with an HDMI is going to play really good. Movies and stuff. The picture's going to be great. Everything's going to be great with an HDMI. The problem you get is the USB just doesn't want to play anything. I even put pictures on to try it, and I tried pictures, I tried videos, I tried changing all the settings around. Nothing will work with the USB. It just does not work no matter what. I changed all the settings. I've gone to restore factory settings multiple times, checked software update, and I've gone through everything, and it just does not work. So the USB for me personally, maybe it was a dud, I don't know, but it does not work for me whatsoever. So I give a poor rating on the USB because it doesn't work. The screen mirroring is alright. It's about as good as other screen mirroring ones. So it's your basic. There's nothing to brag about the screen mirroring. It works, and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it takes a while, and that's the same as all the other screen projectors out there that you're gonna find. They're all gonna be pretty much similar. And again, the HDMI works great. This one does really nice with getting a clear picture and clear image, so that's why I like this. If it wasn't for the clear picture and the HDMI being as good as it is, I would give this probably a 2-star rating, because most people don't use the USB and most people don't mirror. Most people use projectors with an HDMI because it's better. It's the best quality that you're gonna get. because because of how clear it is, how you could focus, that's a big issue for some of these projectors. Some projectors are hard to get focused, so some projectors don't focus that good. So this one does better than those with focusing. So that's why I give it a 3.3 stars out of 5. That's a high rating, especially for the issues that it has. However, because it's such good quality with the HDMI, and because you can focus it so good, and you can have this close to a wall without having it to be like half a mile back to focus, overall, I do like it. The USB is very disappointing. The mirroring is average. You know, the mirroring is just like all the other ones. The HDMI is a little above average, and the picture quality is above average. So that's my honest opinion. See you guys on the next one.